What's up, everybody? I'm Lorna. Welcome to my channel. Happy New Year, everybody. 2022. What? Hopefully, it's actually 2021 wasn't that bad for me. I actually had a pretty decent year, but 2022 can only get better, right? Right. I hope everybody is doing great. I hope you're having amazing weather. What do you guys think? I cut off all my hair. I feel like a new person. I did it right before New Year's. I told the hairdresser, I said, I just want to go into 2022. I want to feel fresh. I want to feel like a new human being. Hi. My cat found a box. Girl. Oh, she purring. Oh, she purring. Are you... Cat people know. You know. She's great. Anyway, I told her I wanted to go in feeling like a whole new person, and if you have had long hair and you've chopped it all off, you are a new person, a completely different person. You're an evil twin or a good twin. Doppelganger? Doppelganger. Anyway, I am loving it. This is my natural hair color. There's not a single bit of it that has been color treated or anything. This is all my real hair. My ends aren't crunchy yet. I'm wearing makeup, so that should increase the views, right? If you watched my last video. Anyway, guys, it's a new year. Ta-da! I've got some time today. I'm not dealing with a small child, although he did so great last time, guys. He was so good. He's at school. Woo! Thank goodness. I gotta say, he might get a Christmas break, but like, I don't really get a Christmas break. Mom life. I'm still figuring this whole mom thing out and realizing what all it actually means for my sanity and my free time. And it's basically that you don't have sanity and you don't have free time. I guess that comes later. I just figure we just jump in. Obviously, that's me. When do I lollygag about anything? I mean, like all the time. It takes me forever to do this. I love this, y'all. Because you know I love a plaid. Oh, it's a purple, it's a plum and a mustard. Plum, mustard, and navy. Sorry, now it'll focus on the shirt. Cool, love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's just a black performance hoodie or something. It's not even a hoodie. Ugh, I don't like this. What is it? Oh, fleece quarter zip mock neck pullover. Sounds... And it's fleece inside. Y'all know how I feel about fleece. I don't know why I expect it to be like perfectly laid out in the box like it's been through the US Postal Service. There's more to it. Okay, hold on. I'm going to re-reveal this so that you guys can have the full... Oh, I just did not do this correctly at all. Hold on. I'm not going to keep this. I can't remember if I liked a single thing from my fixed preview. This might have been in the preview. These cotton shorts. Marlowe Hidden Pocket Performance Short. Again, these are cotton, so like, I guess I don't really think of cotton as being performance because it's like not moisture wicking or something. I have no idea what I'm talking about, by the way. Don't listen to me. Here's a little hidden pocket. So that you can, it's tiny, you can put your keys in there. Oh, this is what I picked out. This is what I picked out from the fix, or from the preview. Not that I need any more jean shorts, but I don't know. These could be fine. Let me throw things on. I'm just going to pair these things together since I've got 2 tops and 2 bottoms, and we'll just go from there. So I know I'm standing way back here. I'm gonna punch in. I'm gonna punch in when I put this in Premiere. I edit with Premiere. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Just ignore me. Okay. When I'm filming in this room, you guys know there's this nice big wall mirror over here. Sometime I'll give you an extra peek at that sometime. I don't know. Anyway, I'm digging this outfit. Not that I mean, the shorts are very comfortable. They're mid-rise. They're probably supposed to be high-rise, but mid-rise is really, really good for me. I like where they're sitting. They're not going to go up my booty. I'm not going to be scandalous out there. So, I feel a little strange with like all of the fringe. It feels a little campy, but I mean, I'm not hating these. Not at all. And the flannel, super, super comfortable. I'm going to have to send it back. It's too small. I know it doesn't look too small, but like across my shoulders, I can feel it pulling. And if I have this button buttoned here, you see it does that thing. I don't even have boobs. And like, so I definitely need I'm pretty sure this is an extra small. I need a small for sure. And everything from Stitch Fix shrinks. Every last item. Okay, not jeans, but like all of the tops that I've gotten from Stitch Fix, if I am not super careful and I let my baby daddy do the laundry, he throws everything in the dryer and I end up with shirts that are this big. And this I know will shrink. It's gonna happen. I need a size up. I like how long it is. I like having my butt covered. Super comfortable. Granted, like we're about to go into like, well, it's Mardi Gras here, but everywhere else y'all are like, I don't even know what y'all are doing. I guess you're getting ready for Easter? I don't know. Seasonally, I love these colors. And you know what? F it. This has got purple and gold. This is perfect for Mardi Gras. What am I talking about? I mean, I'm going to get the bigger size and I'm going to keep this top. They can't send me flannel and not have me keep it. Anyway, because you know how much I like to talk smack about things, this pullover is extremely comfortable, like super comfortable. I don't know when I would wear it. When it's cold outside, don't wanna have fun. Obviously, but like, I don't know. I'm more of a full hoodie kind of person, or like a full zip hoodie, or like the full pullover with a hood thing. This whole half thing seems like, I don't know, but you know what? Expand horizons, right? Like try new things, but I don't know. It is very comfortable. It's lightweight. I know, fleece lined, and it is lightweight. This would honestly be probably perfect for the weather in Louisiana, which is like 58 right now, which is probably like warm for a lot of y'all, but it's really cold for me. And tomorrow it's gonna be like 80. So that's why we're always sick here. The weather changes its mind all the time. The shorts, okay. Also extremely comfortable. Drawstring, very, very loose fitting. I mean, I really like them. I love that there are pockets. This hidden pocket I would probably never use. That's not true. I would never use it. Anyway, very comfortable. I don't mind the color at all. Oh, I wasn't actually, I just talked so much trash when I opened this box and showed y'all everything, and now I'm like, I think I'm gonna keep everything. I'm not gonna keep everything. I'm not gonna keep that necklace. I'm not gonna keep that necklace. Anyway, yeah, gosh, guys, I don't know. This is really, really comfortable. Okay, here's the thing though. When I do really appreciate pockets in my jackets and hoodies, I think I only have like one sweatshirt at all. because I like pockets so much. That is probably going to be my reason for sending this top back, this jacket thing. It is very nice. I will say that. Stitch Fix doesn't send like low quality stuff, that's for sure. Just sometimes questionable style choices. Ignore me. New year, new me. Lorna.22 because it's 2022. I am funny. I'm just getting out of my shell, y'all. I'm so sick and tired of like worrying about views and worrying about who's watching this and being like nice. I'm just gonna start making stupid videos and y'all are gonna watch it and you're gonna like it and I'm gonna get followers. Stop worrying about followers! Jesus. There goes half my viewers right there. I might try this hoodie out today. It's pretty chilly out. I might just like audition it out there in the world. Okay, folks, that was my Stitch Fix. My first fix of 2022. Yeah, first fix of 2022. And that pullover is $65. That's just, I just can't do it. Jeez, those shorts, these shorts are $45. Cotton shorts, y'all. No, y'all remember those shorts, Softy shorts? Yeah. Those are like $12 and they're the same. They're just missing pockets. I bet they make pockets now. Doesn't matter. $45 for, no. The shorts, the jean shorts are $40. The necklace is $50. Y'all. $50. No. It looks like a fan pole. The plaid top. The plaid top is $65. It's Mardi Gras themed. It's the new year. We spent all of our money on Christmas stuff. I bought a new couch that hasn't come in yet. It's not gonna ship until February. I ordered us a new mattress because our mattress is 10 years old and it's soft and I can't sleep on it anymore. We flipped it over and now it's too firm because the one side is a pillow top and the pillow top is like destroyed after 10 years, right? So we flipped it and now it's too firm. I can't sleep on it. If I was a fairy tale character, I would be the Princess and the Pea. The show that I'm on, we had to shut down for COVID again. So it's like, I'm gonna start that OnlyFans for the animals to pay their vet bills and to buy me jean shorts. I don't think I've ever talked about that here. I went through this period of time where like my animals were sick one after another and my vet bills were just insane. They were insane, and I made this joke on Facebook that I was gonna start an OnlyFans to pay for all of my animals' vet bills, and it got a lot of laughs, and I regularly think about that and how it's probably not a bad idea. Also, I need to make an OnlyFans specifically for the cats, so you can make all of the like cat jokes, but it's really just like my cats lounging around like acting slutty. I don't think I'm allowed to say that and say this video is still for kids or can be viewed by kids. Or talk about OnlyFans. 2022, Lorna, don't give up. Since I've traumatized all of y'all enough, I'm gonna say goodbye. This was my fix. It's okay. It's better than okay. I liked the stuff that they sent me. I begrudgingly liked the stuff that they sent me. We're getting ready for Mardi Gras here. I've been struggling to find new Mardi Gras lights. We left our Mardi Gras lights up last year until June, and our purple lights, the purple chipped away, so they're not purple anymore. And Mardi Gras, yay! Okay, things to look forward to. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. You don't have to follow me on Twitter. I'm still locked out of that account. I'm not really sure how that happened, but I think you can follow me on Facebook too if you want. Not necessary, of course. But I am pretty funny from time to time. We'll see you when we see you. Thank you for joining me. This is my channel. I love you all. Happy 2020. 2020. Happy 2022.